Okay guys, so I wanted to cover version 0.30 that we released today. So let's start. The first major things that we released here, and you can see here on the roadmap items, is the unified authentication with Azure AD and Google SSO and Mesh file manager. So if we'll head over to the devices screen, I have a device that I already installed here. This is this device. I have the log opened here. So right now we have, other than the remote control that we used to have from MeshCentral, we also have another activity that we can do either directly from the quick actions menu here. I can click here and start browsing the files on the device. Obviously you can browse to wherever you want. You can also upload files or download files. For example, if you want to download this file, you can just do it from here, and you'll have this progress bar, and then you can save it wherever you want. This menu is also available from the device itself, so it's right here alongside the rest of the activities. We also added some more tracking into the what we're deploying, and soon enough you'll also see here the version of the OpenFrame client itself. We revised the add device screen. So if you go here, you will see that you have the command. You can choose the organization you want to deploy it on. We got few users that had issues with antiviruses, Defender, Bitdefender, Sentinel-1, whatever you guys use. So if you see that some things don't work correctly on the agent, or even as a prerequisite to install the agents, just take all those folders and add it to your antivirus exclusion list. The best way to see that the device was not installed correctly is that if you're going to go to details and then agents, you need to see all those agents running here with IDs. Those are the underlying IDs of the integrated tools themselves. So if you see something missing here and you don't see those 4 and even 5 tools here, it means something is wrong. So that's another thing we added on this version. Another cool functionality that we have is if you'll head over to settings and then SSO configuration, you have here OpenFrame and OpenFrame Google and Microsoft SSO. That's our pre-configured SSO, and if you will check this box, all the users from your domain, so we prefetch the domain. Obviously, it's not going to work if you log in with Gmail or any other generic domain, but if you logged in with your own custom domain, you can enable any user that will have this domain in his email. Once he's going to go to our OpenFrame auth and will type his email here, even if he's not a user yet, he will get access to your dashboard and get auto provisioned and be added as a user, even if you didn't invite him. So that's very convenient if you have Google Workspace or Office 365 that you use internally and they want to provide access to all of your domain users. Same thing works with the custom SSO providers. So if you guys configured your own Google or Microsoft SSO providers, what I showed before, it's our pre-configured OpenFrame SSO provider. But if you guys configured your own and you will checkbox this auto provision account from domain, you will add the domains that you wanna allow into your domain. Click enter, and then once all the things are configured here, it will get your users will get instant access. If you'd like to see more new things that we released on this version, you can definitely go ahead and check out our product release. If you'll go to our website, it's under roadmap and releases and product releases. You can also see what we're working on. So if you want to see if anything If anything that is missing and you didn't see on the product yet is in progress, you can go here either for roadmap or enhancements and bug fixes. Currently, we're planning on a pretty big release with Mingo AI, which is our technician side AI, human in the loop for authorizing AI stuff, and AR guardrails. So that's pretty much it for version 0.30. If you want more instant updates about the product, or you want to give your feedback, or you find something doesn't work correctly on the product, feel free to join us on OpenMSP. If you go to our website, you can just hit join Slack, and that will open OpenMSP workspace, and then you can hit us up with anything that you want to add to the product or any sort of feedback. That's pretty much it. Thanks for listening, and I hope you're enjoying the product, and we will keep on pushing good and interesting features. Thank you guys. Bye.